All right, we got something exciting. We found a nest and we've been watching it, and now there's baby birds in there in the ground. How cool that is.
It's the tiniest nest ever.
It is a small nest.
Come on, little birds.
This bird.
Oh, there's the other one. There's two.
There's two in there?
Yeah, because there was 3 eggs.
Oh yeah. There's been construction here, and there was a skid steer that came right up to the property line and came down and barely missed those baby chicks or birds, and now they've hatched.
Oh, we gotta show the kids. Ah!
They were so lucky.
They almost got smushed.
They almost got smushed by the skid steer. And now
Heber found them this morning.
we're building out our sprinkler system for this new house that we bought. And we're just figuring it out as we go. It's kind of cool. Well, we're building things, and a lot of people are building stuff around here too. And we bought some more land close to this house that we're gonna be building things on as well. But I thought I'd give you a little glimpse into what we're doing. It's been a while since I posted anything, but we have moved, and so now we're doing something different. And we're gonna bring this place into grass and garden, and that's kind of what we're gonna do. But I'll show you around when I get more done. But yeah, that's kind of the progress. But that was cool. We saw the little baby bird. All right.